Welcome to July's Market Update, brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of July. The number of active listings was down 5% from 1 year earlier and down 6% from the previous month. This smaller inventory means that buyers who waited to buy may have had a smaller selection to choose from. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $230,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 55%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was $170,000. The number of units sold increased 11% year over year and increased 22% month over month. These figures may indicate that buyers have been taking advantage of opportunities in this market. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.